Hello there and welcome to this week's update by Valet.io. I'm Valerio and I'm in charge of the WordPress updates here at Valet. WordPress 5.3 Beta 2 is available for testing. This is still in development and you don't recommend updating on a production website. So what's coming in this new version that is scheduled to be released on November 12th? First of all, we will have a new default theme called 2020 based on the blocks editor. It has beautiful typography, cover and full width templates, and it's fully responsive. There will be some changes in the blocks editor. We'll now have the ability to group blocks together and interact them as a group, as well as new improved image block that allow us to select images styles. Improvements on the columns, tables and button blocks are also in this roadmap. We'll discuss a couple more enhancements in the next weekly video. Stay tuned! Have a wonderful weekend!